Dental bridges, what you need to know about their installation. Dental bridges are a typical procedure in dentistry that will help make your smile look better and enhance your dental health. In this short video, we'll discuss all that you need to learn about dental bridges and how they're installed and what to expect throughout the process. What is a dental bridge? Prosthetic dental bridges can be described as appliances that replace missing teeth. They usually consist of some or all artificial teeth, which are attached to nearby implant teeth, or even dental implants. Dental bridges may help to repair your smile, increase your chewing ability and speak, as well as stop any other teeth from slipping from their proper position. How do dental bridges are installed? The procedure for installing dental bridges generally involves a number of phases. Your dentist will inspect your mouth and make impressions of your mouth to design a bridge that is shaped to fit your mouth exactly. After that, any adjacent teeth supporting the bridge must be cleaned out by taking away the enamel in a tiny amount. When the teeth adjacent to yours are cleaned, the dentist will fit the bridge inside your mouth. They will check to see that it's fit. The bridge will be fixed to the teeth of your neighbors or dental implants by using dental cement. The dentist will make any adjustments for the bridge to make sure that it's secure and is functioning effectively. What should you expect from the process of installation? The procedure of installing dental bridges can be a relatively painless procedure which can be accomplished with just a few trips to your dentist. The dentist will apply local anesthesia in order to relax the location prior to cleaning nearby teeth and then installing the bridge. It is possible to experience pain or sensitivity for a few weeks following the procedure, but it should ease after your mouth has healed. When the bridge is put in place after the bridge is installed, it's important to ensure good oral hygiene in order to keep it clean and to prevent issues to develop. That means flossing and brushing often, in addition to having regular dental examinations to ensure your bridge is in great health. Are there any dangers or problems related to dental bridges? Although dental bridges are reliable and secure to restore missing teeth, there are some dangers and problems that you must be mindful of. The most significant risk is that teeth adjacent to the one which support the bridge can get damaged in the course of time due to the increased pressure that is placed on the bridge. In certain cases, the dental cement which is used to bind the bridge to nearby teeth can break, which can cause the bridge to lose its elasticity or even fall out. In addition, if the regular oral hygiene isn't properly maintained, the bacteria could build on the bridge, which can lead to gum disease or tooth decay. To avoid these dangers, you must comply with the advice of your dentist regarding treatment and care of the bridge. Dental bridges are a common choice for repairing missing teeth and to reinforce your smile. When you understand how dental bridges are made and the outcomes you are likely to experience to take a shrewd decision on which option is best for you. If you're thinking about dental bridges, you should be certain to talk with your dentist regarding your options and then determine which is the best option to protect your dental health.